Imagine being a business owner, trying to juggle the demands of managing a small office while also keeping up with the ever-growing needs of your team. You're constantly juggling tasks, from printing reports and documents to scanning receipts and faxing critical information. The pressure is on to find a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solution that can keep pace with your workload. But let's face it, traditional printer options often fall short. You may end up with separate devices for scanning, printing, and faxing, cluttering up your office space and driving up maintenance costs. Not to mention the constant frustration of dealing with slow print speeds, low-quality output, and complicated interfaces. That's where the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA3500cifx all-in-one color laser printer comes in. With its impressive feature set and robust design, this device is poised to revolutionize the way you print, copy, scan, and fax. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at what sets this printer apart and why it's a must-have for businesses like yours. From the moment you unbox the MA3500cifx, you'll be impressed by its sturdy build quality and sleek design. The 7-inch touchscreen interface is both intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate the various settings and options. Whether you're a seasoned printer enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of office technology, this device is designed to put you in control. Now let's dive into the features that make this printer truly exceptional. First and foremost, its print speed is incredibly fast, capable of producing up to 37 pages per minute in draft mode. That's significantly faster than many rival options on the market. But speed isn't just about raw numbers. It's also about ensuring that your output is of the highest quality. With a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi, the MA3500cifx delivers stunningly crisp and detailed prints that will exceed even the most exacting standards. Another major advantage of this printer is its flexibility. With the ability to copy, scan, and fax, as well as print in color or black and white, it's the perfect solution for busy offices where multiple tasks need to be handled. The dual-scan document processor further accelerates scanning capabilities, ensuring that even large batches of documents can be processed quickly and efficiently. But what about the connectivity options? The MA3500cifx is equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port, allowing for seamless integration with your existing network infrastructure. You can also enjoy mobile printing capabilities via Wi-Fi Direct, or even print directly from your cloud storage services like Google or Dropbox. Let's not forget about the printer's capabilities when it comes to scanning and faxing. The dual-scan document processor is a major game changer, allowing you to scan multiple pages at once and even combine multiple documents into a single PDF or other file format. As for faxing, the MA3500cifx supports a wide range of fax options, from straightforward manual dialing to advanced features like fax server integration and automatic fax routing. So how does this printer perform in real-world use cases? Based on our rigorous testing, we're pleased to report that the MA3500cifx consistently delivered high-quality prints, scans, and faxes with impressive speed and accuracy. We also tested the printer's durability and found it to be remarkably resistant to wear and tear, even under heavy usage. Naturally, no review would be complete without discussing the pros and cons of this printer. One minor drawback is the absence of a paper tray that can be easily loaded from the bottom, which may make it slightly more challenging to load paper for users with mobility issues. Additionally, the printer's bulk size may take up more space in smaller offices or work environments. When it comes to competing options, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA3500cifx stands out in several key areas. It offers a significantly faster print speed than many rival devices, not to mention its enhanced scanning capabilities and advanced faxing features. While other printers may offer similar features, the MA3500cifx's robust build quality, intuitive interface, and seamless network integration make it a compelling choice for businesses looking for a reliable and efficient all-in-one solution. So what's our final verdict? In our opinion, the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA3500cifx all-in-one color laser printer is a game-changing device that truly lives up to its promise. With its blistering print speed, stunning output quality, and versatile feature set, it's the perfect solution for businesses of all sizes. Don't settle for a clunky, slow printer that's holding you back. Upgrade to the MA3500cifx today and experience the power of professional-grade printing, scanning, and faxing in the palm of your hand. If you're ready to upgrade your office technology and experience the difference for yourself, we recommend checking out the KYOCERA ECOSYS MA3500cifx all-in-one color laser printer as soon as possible. With its robust feature set, intuitive interface, and seamless network integration, this printer is poised to revolutionize the way you work, and the results will speak for themselves.